The Philippines' unemployment rate edged up to 3.9% in March despite a decline in the total number of jobless Filipinos compared to both the previous month and a year ago. We have this package.
Over 1 million jobs wiped out in just 1 month. The unemployment rate inched up to 3.9% in March, up from 3.8% in February, pushing more Filipinos into the ranks of the jobless. And the underemployment crisis worsens. The number of underemployed workers surged by over 1.48 million in just a month, from 4.96 million in February to 6.44 in March, signaling a growing struggle for Filipinos to find adequate work. Some of the largest contributors to the Philippine economy, including agriculture, construction, and manufacturing, recorded massive job losses, highlighting the strain on the labor market.
May mga nakita tayong pagbaba dito sa construction of buildings. Yun yung malaking nag-contribute dito talaga sa month-on-month natin. Posible na may mga stoppage tayo.
Elementary occupations and service workers who make up a vital part of the economy also suffered sharp job cuts. Meanwhile, the public sector saw a sharp decline in employment, with many government positions remaining vacant due to the ongoing election hiring ban.
We feel na affected ito doon sa ating election ban. May ban pa kasi on hiring sa mga government positions. And ito ay sa tingin namin may impact dito sa pag-reduce ng employed persons, particularly for this particular sector, yung government, yung public administration, defense, compulsory social security. Pero sa tingin namin, pagbalik naman, kasi yung ban matatapos na right after the election, babalik na naman ito. Siguro yung mga hiring lang medyo na-delay.
Even as campaign spending was expected to lift employment, the latest data shows it was not enough to offset the declines.
May mga contribution siya, but it does not really provide that substantial increase. Mayroon kasi tayong mga fixed talaga na mga jobs. Pinakamalaki natin na sektor ay talaga doon sa wage and salary. So doon may impact.
DepDev hopes that the newly launched Trabaho para sa Bayan plan will provide a lifeline to the millions of Filipinos struggling to find decent work. Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.